talk.
This is our story. We're already halfway through the adventure. We don't know where the hell we're at.
Who gives a shit?
There's a water tower up there. By fucking helicopters. We're somewhere on redneck territory. Lots of wolf spiders, dangerous shit. I feel like I'm like Steve fucking Irwin.
Let's
without raising sharks.
let's continue our adventure.
You almost fell.
Shut up.
Apparently there's houses right there. I don't even know where we're at.
It's like we're hunting wabbits.
We're what?
Hunting wabbits.
Yeah, barbed wire. Definitely in that territory.
Oh, fuck, look, there's a fence.
Where are we?
I don't know.
Let's go out.
I'm scared.
Let's go adventuring. Let's go find a chill spot. Why don't we just chill on the bench?
You were up for it.
Because it's boring.
You were up for it.
I was up for it, so I saw that damn hill.
Dude, I definitely smell cow shit. What the fuck, man? Check that shit out, man.
I hate my life.
Like and you think?
I really hope there's a main road nearby. Are we hopping this fence or not?
You want to?
Yeah, and then we need to hurry up and run to those bushes because I really don't want to be shot. That's clearly.
Well, right now we're gonna take a break so we can run.
Record the running.